Yes, we hit $50,000 yesterday, and now we are around $48,500. There's a reason for this, and I think it's something that not a lot of people are talking about. I'm going to get into that, but first I want to go over some fun facts. Michael Saylor says that the demand for Bitcoin is 10x higher than the supply. I agree with him on that. It absolutely is. And I'm going to explain to you why right now. Eric Balkanis on Twitter says the net cumulative flows for the 10 Bitcoin ETFs, including GPTC, who have been selling a lot lately, has doubled over the past 3 days to over $3 billion. For context, it took GLD, which is the ETF for gold, nearly 2 years to get to this point. So it's rapidly increasing. After another $500 million yesterday, the 9 alone are nearing meaning 9 institutions that have their spot Bitcoin ETFs are nearing $10 billion of inflows. So this will continue, and this is continuing on an inelastic supply, which Bitcoin has. This is like nothing we've ever seen before. That is why we are in a full-on bull market, and I'm going to squash all of those feelings of fear in you right now. So let's go over this. $500 million yesterday. Crazy the amount of inflows that happen. Now, we have U.S. inflation. This is what people are freaking out about, hitting 3.1%. This is the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, that is gauging pretty much inflation in the United States. And so people are freaking out like, okay, it's 3.1%. That means that the Federal Reserve is going to have to raise interest rates. That's what people are freaking out about. It doesn't matter whatsoever. First off, the CPI is a lie. Yes, it rhymes. Kind of, it fits perfectly because they don't include food or fuel. And I talked about that yesterday in yesterday's video. With that said, the amount of currency printing that is going to be going on is going to be astronomical. So it doesn't matter what these guys lie about. It really doesn't. It matters about how much currency they're printing, and they're never going to stop. So what's going to happen with that? Monetary inflation, which Bitcoin loves, and then the rest of the alts are going to come with it. A lot of our alts hit a lot of all-time highs yesterday, and all-time highs and yearly and multi-year highs. If you want to check us out, what we are doing with our crypto and how we are killing it this bull market, check us out at learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club. I definitely think you might enjoy that. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Relax. Bye-bye.